Good morning, traders. This is a start to phenomenal, incredible week. This is the email I received from students. As you could see, Richard is retired. Richard started the course on November 9th. Since November 9th, Richard sharing that his profits are 4 times the money he's making before he retired. Do you see this? These are the worst market conditions. Do you know what Richard will do? What market conditions will be spectacular? This is the effort from phenomenal trader who is simply making an effort. This is how simple system is that Richard trading. Every single morning Richard looks on this chart. Richard thinks and trades as Goldman trader does. Richard thinks as trader who is moving millions and billions of dollars. Richard has zero interest being a majority. Richard understands that in order to become top 1%, you must think and trade as top 1% does. Bullish rally currently overextended. Richard understands this is a very challenging market conditions. But look at the system. Look how simple system is. Yesterday I worked with 11-year-old Emma, whose father Michael brought her to the course. Green light means look for long. Red means do not enter into. It means critical, crucial resistance. No indicators on this chart, none are present. And if you apply the rules, the skies are the limit. So in front of you, price is bouncing on 1-minute chart. Everyone seeing this? This is expected. This is crucial support. You never short near this level. So when you're looking at this chart and you understand that institutions adding to their longs, institutions not shorting the market, you also understand very important point. Trading the historical top requires ultimate skill. Trading the bottom is easy. Trading at support is easy. Buying with institutions is easy. Hundreds of trades per day. Here, only gems are present. There are no hundreds of trades per day. Institutions enjoying the biggest profits in 40 years during the worst economic crisis ever. And when you're looking at this vertical biggest rally, what do you understand and what do you remember? Turning off the noise, turning off the news is the most important thing you can ever do. Trading pure price, as Richard does, is the most important part of your trading. So on the scanner giving us multiple alerts, no one should be surprised, correct? This was expected. This is a crucial, critical moment on your chart. You're at critical, crucial support, and when price is rallying, you absolutely must obey and respect your targets. We knew this before this happened. Price at crucial support at overextended rally. Targets are very limited. Trades are very few. So if you can deal with these market conditions, you can trade anything you choose. Because buying close to historical highs, creating very aggressive markets, but with the precision of Alpha Fibonacci system, you are still at the right side of the market. Here's a trade we will be discussing with students. It's in front of you. This is the power of the system. How long did the trade last? Few seconds. Critical target is reached. profits of the table move the stop outside of break even. If in these market conditions you obey and respect this bright pink line, you're always on the right side of the market. You can never ignore this bright pink line. It is not an option. When the price will collapse all the way down to here, it's the biggest gift you can ever receive. Because you're trading with institutions. You never ever trade against institutions. And that's the most important part. So when Richard shares this morning that he's trading Russell, Larry shares this morning that he's trading Russell. This is absolutely Larry's choice. But as you saw in the email Richard shares, I don't know how much more time I will have to teach because family is first. So what do the students share and what do you see? Something very crucial happens here. As Theo says, these levels are uncannily accurate. Joseph agrees. And this is when your trading changes forever and ever and ever. Since March 23rd, we had 0 institutional shorts. That's what Richard knows. This is how he accomplished his success. And when you see buyers stepping in again and again and again, you are not surprised. As Joseph says, trend is your friend. So if Goldman's trend is long, if JP Morgan trend is long, if BlackRock trend is long, why in the world would you short? Tell me. Do you want to be a Goldman trader? Or do you want to be a Walmart trader? Which one is it? Do you want to enjoy the biggest profits? Do you want to become top 1%? Or do you want to grab a lucky point? Grab a penny? Grab a dollar? These traders interested in only being top 1%. They refuse to accept anything less. As Joseph says, better to be Alpha Fibonacci sniper. Wisdom pays. Here's gold. This is a system on gold in front of you. This is the power of the system that allows you to buy the bottom and shows you where reversal will be. Gold in major bearish pullback. Gold is in trouble. What is a crucial level on gold right now? 1900. Bright pink line that you saw on Dow this morning. It's identical level. What is the difference? This is your long-term investments. This is your day trading. As Richard shared, he just took 4 points on S&P. What is 4 points on S&P? $1.50, 4 points, $200 on one lot, on 10 lots, $2,000. That's it. As Joseph says, on gold, that's an ugly chart. Joseph is hedge fund manager. Joseph trades gold long term. Joseph held position on gold for a couple of years with Alpha Fibonacci system. Every trader different account. Every trader different instrument. And that's the key. As Joseph M. shares, waiting on pullback on gold to make a large gold stock purchase. This is intelligent, strategic investment. Doing exact same thing you see on Dow. Where's my pointer and what we're discussing with students? This is a zone. This is the area intelligent trader pays attention to. This is the key. So if you want to produce results, as Richard just shared this morning again, you do exact same thing Richard does. So if you want to listen to Richard's podcast, you click on Students Podcasts and you find Richard's podcast here. And you see multiple other students' podcasts here. You obey the rules, you become one of them. At least 50% of students work full-time. The other 20% of students in Asia, in Middle East, in Australia, watching videos 24/7. Another 30% of students are 65 and older, trading Alpha Fibonacci System, as Richard does, as retirement position. This is Lifetime System Traders, 3-month course with videos and modules. All classes are live. Video library modules included. Private mentoring, I work with you one-on-one. I hold your hand. I discuss long-term positions. Day trading not for everyone. Long-term positions are for everyone. The power of Alpha Fibonacci system in 2020 had been phenomenal. Simply listen to students' podcasts, simply view students' performance, and you will see. Day trading not your cup of tea. Use everything for long-term positions. But if you want to day trade, of course you can. Absolutely. System applies to it all. So this is it. Our Bitcoin traders had a ball in 2020. Emails keep coming in. It never gets old, I promise. With Alpha Fibonacci system, you can trade long-term on your iPhone. You don't have to give up your time. You don't have to give up your job. You can do anything you choose. Do you want to trade gold? Do you want to trade Bitcoin? Do you want to trade Amazon? Of course you can. Absolutely. You see identical bright pink line in front of you. Price is stuck as expected. Boom. So here's a hedge fund trader who shares. No news, no other stimulus, just the chart and fibs. This is all you need. This is what you must remember. And when you do, the skies are the limit. You can day trade, and as Scott does, you can position trade. You never need anything else. You only need Alpha Fibonacci system. In current market, this pink line is the key. And that's on Bitcoin, on gold, on Amazon, on Apple, oil. Phenomenal opportunities now. When I work with our Saudi student, this is what he's done. Mustafa enjoying buying oil at the bottom. I just worked with him again on Friday. He's my student forever. Every single one of these traders obeys the bottom and trades the bottom and top. So here we are traders right now on Dow. Did we know or did we know that price would find support at this level? Of course, we knew this before it happened. This is exact same thing every single trader does. So an 11-year-old Emma already knows this. No one should be surprised. This is how pure and simple system is. Dow already reversed. How many points? 30. Boom. Did we know or did we know that this is where institutions would step in again? This is when you stop stressing out and you start obeying the rules. It is that simple. The only thing you have to decide, Do you want to day or position trade? Obey the rules, and the skies are the limit, no matter what you trade. So here we go, traders. As we're discussing with students, we understand that in current market structures, this is crucial, critical moment between this support and this resistance. Intelligent trader understands the rules and knows what to obey to and knows what to respect. Response at this level will determine markets for hours to come. It's that darn pink line is crucial. Any questions for me? Trading room, please do ask. But this is exact same thing system had done on oil. 2018, identifying all in advance. Years in advance, you knew that oil would sell off from here. Months in advance, you knew that oil would rally from here. But this darn pink line will be a problem on oil. 60 will be war zone. You know this many months in advance. And that's Dow now. You don't have to wait for months to understand how institutions trade this system. You can do it all yourself on any instrument you choose with ultimate precision. So here we are again, remain 30 minutes later. Did we know or did we know that this is your only option? This is your trading range this morning. Power of the system, ultimate simplicity that allows you to buy the bottom and sell the top. But when reversal zone is present, it's a problem. Entering into will produce success rate of less than 20%. Exiting your trade is a smart thing to do. Thank you so much, everyone, as it's music to my ears. When Jennifer just shares 25 points on NQ today. What a spectacular community of incredible traders. 5 points on NQ with 2 little babies at home. 5 points on 1 lot. $125 on 10 lots, 1,000 on 20 lots, 2,000 plus. But as George says, this is the best decision you've ever made, Joseph says to George, who just joined us. To join Alpha Fibonacci Club is the best decision ever. As traders welcome George this morning. And that's our community of traders every single day with Alpha Fibonacci System. That's it. Every trader decides what trader wants to trade, but every single one of these traders knows what reversal zone means. Do not enter. Buy at support, trade with institutions is the power and simplicity of the method. Thank you everyone for an incredible start of the week. This never gets old. As traders globally trading this system on any instrument they choose, you decide what you want to trade. So when Dow in front of you crashing completely from reversal zone instantly, 40 points, no one should be surprised. And if Dow will crash all the way down to this support, it would be perfect. This never gets old, I promise. This is the power of the system on any instrument you will choose to trade. So if you'd like to join community of our incredible traders in 57 countries who are trading any instrument they choose, simply sign up on our homepage. If you would like to see more details, click more details, please. If you have any questions, call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And that's the power of the system in front of you from the trading room in the live markets with my incredible traders. That's it. I look forward for you to be one of our incredible traders. All you have to do, obey Alpha Fibonacci rules and place the trades accordingly on any instrument you will choose.